Hands on the wheel settles the deal. You're not far away from making a sale if you can get someone to take the car for a test drive. And that has never been truer than when it comes to selling SEAT in Denmark. So how could SEAT overtake the competitors on the inside lane and get people to try out a car they don't know with a limited marketing budget? SEAT chose to take an entirely new data-based approach and utilize a combination of advanced predictive models, machine learning, social media, and classic direct mail. The campaign's engine was a specially developed predictive model that could score every Danish household in terms of their likelihood of buying a SEAT. The first step was to carry out a comprehensive analysis of SEAT's existing customers. This entailed extracting data from all the people who had bought a SEAT in the years 2018 and 2019, enriching it with third-party data about their previous cars, as well as a long list of socio-demographic data such as geographical location, gender, age, level of education, occupation, household type, living situation, and financial situation. All the data was fed into a machine learning model, which was trained to identify and document relationships between behavior, car data, and customer profiles. To test and fine-tune the prediction model, results of the analysis were compared to a dataset of people who bought a SEAT in 2020. Once the model was accurate and ready, we identified 30,000 names and addresses of households that had a high likelihood of buying a new passenger car, had owned one of the selected competing car brands, had the shortest possible distance to one of the 30 authorized SEAT dealers. As SEAT did not have permission to contact the 30,000 households in the target group digitally, we chose to go with targeted one-to-one direct mail in the post box. Combined with a social warm-up campaign on Facebook and Instagram, SEAT targeted home-owning families with children in the narrow geographical areas before, during, and after the direct mails were sent out. The direct mails presented a wide range of SEAT's range of cars, and everyone who subscribed to SEAT's newsletter or booked a test drive were automatically enrolled in the draw to win a road trip around Denmark and a flashy SEAT Tarraco e-hybrid, of course. The campaign shifted sales into the highest gear. The number of test drives in SEAT's primary target group more than doubled during the campaign period. At the same time, the number of test drives that resulted in sales increased by an astounding 400% among those who had received a direct mail compared to those who were outside the target group. Based on the successful business case, SEAT will be establishing a permanent setup with a data-driven prediction model that identifies the most likely new customers every quarter. In other words, the results keep rolling in with a strategy of data driving the hands to the wheel and to the deal.